2020 Ford Explorer ST is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged V6 cylinder engine, producing 400 horsepower and 415 foot-pounds of torque, sent to all 4 wheels. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This results in a 0 to 60 time of 5.3 seconds. It can also tow up to 5,600 pounds. Standard are the full LED headlights and partial LED rear taillights. Included in the ST Street package are these 21-inch black painted alloy wheels. Also included are the red painted performance brake calipers. Also standard is a power operating rear trunk. Moving inside, you will notice a full black leather interior. This is a 6-seat configuration, while a 7-seat configuration is optional. A new gauge cluster screen has carried over from the Lincoln brand and has been introduced in the new Explorer. This is the all-new 10.1-inch vertically oriented touchscreen display from Ford. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM Travel Link. All new Explorers come with front dual-zone climate control. Here we also have heated and cooled seats with a massage function. The shifter has been replaced with a turn dial seen in the Fusion or the Ford GT. This is your drive mode select: auto start stop, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, and auto hold. Exclusive to the ST is the fully leather-wrapped sport steering wheel with extra thick bolsters and contrast white stitching. This is your adaptive cruise controls, audio controls, gauge cluster controls, and phone. New for 2020, Ford has redesigned the headlight dial. Diving into the gauge cluster settings, you can select audio, navigation, and phone. You can scroll through different quick menus to make it easier to find something you use more often. For drive modes, you have normal, slippery, trail, deep snow and sand, eco, sport, and tow haul. The ST trim gets specific seats that are more bolstered and supportive. They are fully leather with heating, cooling, and a massage function. Standard on ST is the incredible Bang & Olufsen Play premium audio system. This has 14 speakers and 980 watts of power. A full panoramic sunroof carries the full length of the roof. The rear seats are in a captain's chair configuration. The rear passengers also get climate controls and heated seats. The rear passengers also get sunshades for the rear doors. The third row seats are fully power operated and can be folded completely flat for a flat loading surface.